Hey there, Sunshines! Welcome back to Dark Sunlight. Today I'm going to be doing the second part of my KonMari Declutter. Normally the next section would just be books, but because I have so few, I thought I would do paper at the same time. First up, we have my tarot cards, which, obviously keeping, I love and use them all the time. Next up is basically my favorite book of all time. It's called The Thief of Always by Clive Barker, and I've been rereading this book over and over and over since I was a kid. The Lathe of Heaven is one of my partner's favorite books, so obviously need to keep that. Catcher in the Rye is just one of the first school-assigned books that really caught my attention in school, and I just still love it. And this is my dad's copy, so that's kind of cool. This is Tales from the Darkside Volume One. It's a collection of short stories by authors like Stephen King, Robert Bloch, George A. Romero, and a bunch of others. And it's got some of my favorite stories in it. They're really cool. It's another one that I reread from time to time. And honestly, that's it for books. I know I don't have a very big collection, but I really only keep the ones that I keep rereading, and for the most part, I use audiobooks. So this is all the papers in my house. The large stack of loose paper is mostly from my desk. I take random notes and write down ideas on scrap paper all the time. You would think I would use my bullet journal, but honestly, I just scribble wherever I can find scrap paper. So with most of this stuff, the ideas have run their course, or I've copied them into where they actually need to be in my bullet journal, so I can get rid of all the loose paper. This is kind of sweet. My dad gets me a Halloween card every year. since I greatly reduced the number of files I was using, I wanted to redo the labels as well. And of course, you can use colored labels if you have them. I just have plain white ones, so I thought I'd color code them with my Tombos. And that is it for part 2 of my KonMari Declutter. Books and papers are done. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for notifications when I post. As always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.